You only die once. How to make it to the end with no regrets. Okay, so maybe Deadpool doesn't really believe in dying, but he does believe in living life to the absolute fullest. Let's give this book summary a Merc with a mouth makeover. Facing your mortality. It's not a party, but it should be. So Jodie Wellman, this chick who's clearly never met a chimichanga, is trying to tell us that thinking about dying can actually make your life better. Like, who knew, right? But hey, she's got a point. It's like when you're about to get your face ripped off. You suddenly appreciate all the little things. Like, having a face. Wellman's saying that facing your mortality is like that, but without the whole face ripping thing. It's about realizing that life's a one-time offer, so you better not waste it watching paint dry. Designing your life. Because you're the main character. This part's all about becoming the hero of your own damn movie. Wellman's like, find your purpose, man. And she's got a point. It's not about saving the world from aliens or anything, unless you're Deadpool, obviously, but it's about finding what makes you tick and going full throttle. It's like picking the ultimate power-up in a video game, except instead of super strength, you get to do stuff you actually enjoy. Relationships. More than just who you blow up with. Apparently, having friends and family isn't just for suckers. Wellman's saying it's important to surround yourself with people who don't mind you swearing a lot or making inappropriate jokes. It's like having a badass team, but without the spandex. Embrace the chaos. Live like you're immortal, even if you're not. This is where things get interesting. Wellman's telling us to take risks, step outside our comfort zones, and generally stop being such cowards. It's like when Deadpool jumps out of a plane without a parachute. You know it's crazy, but it's also kind of exhilarating. Balance. Because even Deadpool needs a break. Okay, so maybe Deadpool doesn't really do balance, but the rest of us mortals might need it. Wellman's talking about eating right, exercising, and getting enough sleep. It's like giving your body the ultimate cheat code to level up. Leave your mark, or at least a really cool gravestone. Wellman wants you to think about what you'll leave behind. It's like planning your final boss battle, except instead of defeating evil, you're creating a legacy. And hey, if you can't think of anything epic, just leave instructions for an awesome funeral. Remember, life's too short to be boring, so go out there, kick some ass, and make sure you have a really good time doing it.